Hey, it's Allison here with A Taste of Therapy, and I'm coming at you live from outside today because it is a gorgeous day, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite summer cocktails to make. This is A Taste of Therapy, where every week I am making a new recipe that is good for your soul, because when you do my mindset techniques mixed into the recipe, it helps you have the best day ever. And I guarantee if you go outside today and drink one of these drinks, you will have the best day ever. Today I'm showing you how to make an Aperol spritz, so stay tuned.
What I love about this recipe is that it's super simple and only requires a few ingredients. So your first step is to take a wine glass, fill it with ice, just like this. You're gonna take your Aperol, which you can buy at any liquor store, and you're gonna fill it about halfway. Can you see that? About halfway. Then you're gonna take your Prosecco and you're gonna fill her up. Hello, bubbles. Amazing. Then you're gonna take a little splash of club soda for a little extra fizz, and top it off with an orange slice. Voila! There is your Aperol spritz.
Now, as I promised you, I have a mindset tip here to help you have the best day ever, other than drinking this drink, which will definitely help. I want you to, while you're sitting down to sip and enjoy, I want you to consider what are 3 new things that you could try this week that would make you super happy. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, okay, yeah, I'll try something new. No, I'm talking about like super over the top happy. What are 3 things you could do? That's easy. Could you try a new restaurant? Could you try a new recipe in the kitchen? Could you go out on a day date with your husband? I don't know. Whatever it is for you, I want you to think about 3 over the top things that you could do this week that would make you super happy, and then I want you to go do those things. The more you incorporate happiness into your everyday life, the more your vibe will increase, and the more you will have the best day ever. I promise. Cheers! I can't wait for you to make this recipe. Thank you so much for letting me show you how to make an Aperol spritz, and I'll see you next time. Hello, summer.